Hello guys, welcome to the C programming tutorial. Today we will discuss about the loops, and we have three types of loop. First is for loop, second is while loop, and third is do while loop. And in this for loop and while loop are top condition checked method, and do while loop is bottom condition checked. And about for loop we have already discussed in previous few lectures, and also print some pattern using for loop. And today we will study about while loop. First of all, we will see the syntax of while loop, and after that its implementation. This is the syntax of while loop. In first line, here we use the keyword while, and inside bracket we use condition. Condition may be any expressions, as suppose n must be larger than 10, yeah, character must be equal to a. Any type of condition we can, expression we can use inside while loop. And when loop started, we will write any statement that we want to execute whenever the condition is satisfied. Now we will see the implementation of while loop in printing counting. Here first of all I will declare some variable and initialize it with 1, because I will print counting from 1 to 10. Clear the screen, and here our while loop will work. First of all, I must be smaller than 11, and printf I plus plus incrementation operator, and here we will close the loop. And we will also check when the control comes out of the loop. Hey, checked. At last it will print this line. And how it will work? In first line, what will happen? The value of I is initiated by 1, and whenever its control will come inside the while loop, first of all it will check the condition. If I is smaller than 11, yeah, it's fine, and value of I is 1 and it's smaller than 11, so it will do this expression. And when it will come next line, the value of I will incremented by 1. So in next loop the value of I will become 2, and once again condition is satisfied, it will come to the inside the loop and print this statement. And when the value of I become 11, at that point our condition will not satisfy, and our control will transfer to this line printf hey checked. Let us check it. Yeah, it's fine. It's printing from 1 to 10, and after that printed hey checked. Suppose now I will print counting in reverse order. I will initialize I with 10, and condition will be what? I must be larger than 0, and here we have to decrement. Now run the program. Here 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and at last when the loop go outside of the braces, it printed hey checked. And suppose I will write here I plus plus, then what will happen? We will get runtime error, because every time the value of I will incremented, and here I must be larger than 0. So I will always positive integer, and loops will continue up to infinity. So we have to take care about the logic what we are using in the while loop. So guys, this is a simple implementation of while loop. In next lecture we will see do while loop, that is bottom tested condition, that which is also a most important loop that have many use in our projects and in many parts of the C programming language. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please share this video as much as possible. Thank you.